Hello everyone, welcome to another short tutorial. So in this video I'll show you how to download audio drivers according to your motherboard. So first of all, open start menu and search CMD, and then copy this command from description. This will help you to know your motherboard name if you don't know. So then go to Google Chrome and search drivers by name of your motherboard. So I have Asus motherboard, and now type motherboard name in Asus website. After that, go to drivers and tools and select your window version. You're using 32-bit or 64-bit. So I am using 64-bit. Now here I have audio drivers, VGA drivers, and many of other drivers. So I download audio drivers. Now as you're watching, our drivers are downloaded. Now extract the zip file and select location. Now open folder and install your drivers. Now when this processing is finished, then restart your PC or laptop. After restarting, press next, and as you are watching, our drivers are installed. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, hit like button, and also don't forget to subscribe Team WS channel. So see you in another video. Thanks for watching.